only.
New syllabus.
New syllabus still we didn't get, children. This is only, I think, this year. The book is.
In Google came.
Want to write
Doubt, ma'am.
What, Nana?
In Google
Physical features and physical division is same, ma'am.
I can't understand what you told me.
Physical features and physical division is same, ma'am.
I'll explain. Okay.
Ma'am, in Google, Amaravati teaches SSC means it came, ma'am. New textbooks, all SEM 1, SEM 2.
Sem 1, Sem 2. But till we didn't get.
Came,
But
ma'am, all
okay, we'll see. But the maths is very essential for your class. Either it is new version or old version, but maybe you will have the same topic in the new version also. So
okay, ma'am.
that's why no need to worry. You no need to worry.
Want to
Okay,
write
children?
this, ma'am?
Huh?
Ma'am, we want to write this, ma'am.
Yeah, right.
Ma'am, your face is not visible, ma'am.
Not visual. Yeah, yeah.
Ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yeah, ma.
what is the heading, ma'am?
Word
Ma'am.
heading, reading of different kinds of map. Ma. First chapter.
Ma'am,
only.
hello, ma'am.
Yeah, ma. What do you want? Yeah. Come on.
Cinema చూపిస్తా
Ma'am,
Cinema
down the
చూపిస్తా
camera, ma'am.
Huh?
Down the camera, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, board is not clear, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, board is not clear, ma'am. Down the camera, ma'am. Ma'am, please unmute everyone. Please mute everyone. Board is not
We'll send pics. We'll send pics.
not clear, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, I can't see the board, ma'am.
Can't see.
Ma'am, it is good, ma'am.
Now okay?
No, okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
No, okay, ma'am.
Let's get started our class.
Video, ma'am.
Okay. I'm going to unmute your voice.
Your
Okay,
face
children?
is not visible, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. No? No, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So I'm going to unmute your voice. Then just
Okay, ma'am.
follow the lesson.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Please check your video.
Ma'am,
just
mom, I
follow
can't
the
see the board, ma'am.
shop
No, ma'am.
lesson. Then have doubt. Then after explanation, you can ask your doubt. You can clarify your doubts. Okay, children? Yeah. So here, the introduction was already given to you in the previous class about the maps of different kinds. So what is a map? A map is a drawing of the earth or a part of the earth or a particular place, particular area. Drawing is known as map on a flat surface. So here the maps are different kinds. Already you know in the previous classes also. Physical maps, political maps, and thematic maps. So there are number of maps, but you can learn only these 3 types of maps. Sir, resound వస్తుంది sir. Okay. Yeah, children. Next, here, first you try to understand what are landforms, physical features, physical divisions, and nature of the terrain. These are all the same. What are the mountains, desert, plains, plateau, rivers, valleys? These are all including called landforms or physical features or physical divisions or nature of terrain. You don't get confusion. What are physical divisions? What are physical features? What are landforms? These are all same only. Physical features, landforms, physical divisions, and nature of the terrain. Same. Though that means the mountains, desert, plains, plateau, rivers, valleys. Okay, these are known as the landforms. These landforms you can observe the different part of the places. If you travel across the country, you can find so many, the variety of landforms. The world is full of variety of landforms, mountains, rivers, plains, plateau, desert. So next, as I told already, the physical maps shows these physical divisions. Next, symbols show physical objects. Symbols is, so if you observe, then how we show the physical objects on a map? By showing symbols. Physical objects, a river, maybe a railway station, maybe a capital city or a city. How can we show these on a map? We show these physical objects. These are known as physical objects. These physical objects are shown on a map using some symbols. What are those symbols? The symbols are maybe a point, or maybe a line, maybe a area. How? The point symbols are shown usually cities like Delhi. Delhi is a capital city. That's why a circle, a point is marked and a circle is drawn. So inside the circle you can see a point. So that is capital city. Next, for city, a point. Then for capital city, again a circle inside a dot. So these are shown capital cities and cities. Point symbol shows capital cities and cities. Next, line symbol on a map. What does it describe? These line symbol describe a river like Godavari, Krishna, Ganges, Kaveri, Tungabhadra, so many rivers, and we show the river symbol like this. Its courses also. The river symbol. Can you see, children, the river symbol? Yeah, this is river symbol. Next, even railway line also shown in a line symbol. So a line is drawn and the vertical line is also drawn to show the railway line. Next, even road also line symbol. So we show these on a map. If on the map, for example, southern India map, to show the railway line, then we draw just like this. Here the railway line. Then to show river Godavari, just we'll draw like this, the river and its courses. This is, then you can understand this is a river, this is a railway line. And if you show this point symbol, this is Chennai. Chennai, then you can understand immediately it is a city. Looking at the point, you can understand this point symbol, oh, it is a city. Then this one railway line, this one river and its courses. Next, if it has written here PO, PO in the sense this area, post office. So post office located in that area. If it is written PO on the map, in the sense post office is located in that area. So these symbols are shown on the map to show physical objects. What are the physical objects on the earth? Physical objects in the sense, maybe it is a city, maybe it is a river or railway station, maybe it is a building like post office, railway station. So here symbol once you see. PO means post office, PS, police station, RS, railway station. So these are called area symbols. These are line symbols. These are point symbols. What are comes under point symbols? Cities. Cities, capital cities. And what are comes under line symbol? Rivers, a railway line, a road. These are comes under line symbol. Whereas area symbol, post office, police station, a railway station, such things come under area symbol. Okay, children. Next, as I told already, building symbols also. I showed already building symbols how Yeah, church or mosque. This is mosque. Then they will show like that. So if they would located a mosque here or a temple, they would like they wanted to show this temple. So if they draw like this, so you can understand, oh, here the temple is there, that place, the temple is located. Understood, ma? So that is building symbol, either Taj Mahal, either mosque or church. Such buildings also showed a small model, in a small model. Those are building symbols. So these are all called together called the language of the map, the symbols, the signs, the colors. These are all including together called the language of the map. I already told you. So not only these symbols, sorry, symbols, missed M, you write. Symbols, not only symbols, and so many things also shown on the map. The heights of the place, the physical features also. How can be showed? The physical features, mountains, desert, how it showed? Can they draw big mountains? Can they draw desert? Can they draw rivers on the map? No, it is not possible. So to avoid that problem, for that solution, for the solution of that problem, to solve that problem, to overcome that problem, how the mountains, the desert, the rivers, these are shown in different colors. So these physical features also shown on a map, but it can't show like a river, like a mountain. But these are shown in colors. The physical features or physical divisions or landforms or nature of the terrain. These are all same word. So these shown on a map by shading colors, as I told you, as I showed you on the book. So for physical maps are the maps which show the plains, plateaus, rivers, mountains, deserts, islands. These are all that already I explained in the previous class. Next, political maps also, districts, states, and countries. It shows the districts, countries, and states. That is called political map. Then I told thematic map. Thematic map shows a special theme. What is the theme? For example, climate. If you take the climate especially temperature. So how the temperatures in the month of June, July, August, and how the temperature from October to December, and how the temperature from January to March, as I already showed in the previous class from Atlas. So a special theme it explains, that is thematic map. Maybe languages. Now what languages are spoken by the people of different states, and the mineral resources, the water resources, these are all shown in thematic maps. Okay, then measuring heights on land and showing heights also. How could be possible on a map? Heights how could be shown, and heights and on a land, showing heights, measuring heights. How it possible on a land? How can we show heights? So to show heights also we use colors. How? For example, here see, this is the Nimpur village. If you see the textbook, it has the heights, the different colors of height. Can you see, children? Yeah. Can you see here? Can you see? Yeah. If they have given one example, the village of Nimpur, and it is located 50 meters above the sea level. 50 meters above the sea level, and the temple is located 100 meters above the sea level. So it is not on the ground, above the sea level, 50 meters above the sea level. So here the green color is 0 to 50 meters high, and the orange color indicates 50 to 100 meters, and the brown color indicates 100 to 150, the top of the hill. So understood, children? So this area comes under 50 meters below, this 100 meters below, this 150 meters below. So showing these colors, also showing, when shading the colors, you can show heights on a place. This is called picture. Even this also called a picture. Yesterday I explained about this. This is picture. This is not a map. What is the map? Here you can see the map. Map with a scale. Here, yeah. The green color is below 0 to 50 meters. And the orange color 50 to 100. I mean 51 to 100. This brown color 101 to 150. So this colors also shown the heights and division, physical divisions also shown. So here, if you observe the height, they showed three heights: 50 meters, 100 meters, 150 meters by shading colors. It is the Nimpur village. Can you see the houses? Yeah. The houses are located, I mean the village is located 50 meters above the sea level, and at 100 meters you can see a temple, then 150 top of the hill. So showing how heights also by shading colors we can show on the map. By shading colors we can show heights. And also here if you see the map, the maps on the heights also shown on the map. How? By shading colors. Here this is 0 degree sea level. From sea level to 50 degrees, 50 meters. The 50 meters, at 50 meters the village is located. At 100 meters the temple is located, and 150 top of the hill. How you know? By colors. So green color shows 0 to 50, then orange color 51 to 100, brown color 101 to 150. So by shading colors, we can show the physical divisions as well as the heights of the places on the map. Okay, children. Symbols already we can show by line symbol, by point symbol, and by area symbol. Whereas heights also and physical divisions also we shown by shading the colors. Okay, children, understood? How can we show the heights on a map and also physical divisions on the map by showing colors, by shading the colors, different colors. Normally, you know, the blue color meant for what? Water bodies. And green color, plains. Brown color for mountains. Mountains, brown color. Whereas yellow color for plateau and desert. Plateau. And desert also. So mainly to show physical divisions, these colors are used: blue, green, brown, yellow. So blue also, light blue color used for shallow water, whereas dark blue is used for deep water. Deep water ante lotu, shallow water ante lotu takkuvaga. That is next. Green color for plains, plains and pastures, whereas brown color for mountains and yellow color for plateau and desert. Yeah. So to show heights of a place and physical divisions, we use colors. As I shown on your textbook. If you have textbook, you can have a look. So this is physical divisions. What here? The mountains, plains, rivers. These are physical divisions. These physical divisions are also shown by shading colors. Even the heights also. So 50 meters height, 100 meters, and 150 meters height also shown by shading colors. So by shading colors, you can know the physical divisions as well as the heights of the place. That is about the language of the map, showing physical divisions, the colors and the symbols using on a map is called language of the map. And this language of the map is universal. All the colors and the symbols are used by the world is same colors and symbols are used by all the map makers. Okay, next. Contour lines. What are contour lines? So mountains, how can you know? Sir, security, sir. Siva sir, Pilavra. చూడండి మేడం అయిపోయింది కనెక్ట్ అవుతుందని వచ్చింది ఇందాక సెవెంత్ డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయిపోయిందా మేడం yeah it's disconnected children then we'll learn about contour lines. Contour lines, what are these lines also a type of symbol which shows the relief features. The relief features means, as I told already, these are all called relief features. The planes, plateaus, values, these are all called relief features. It shows the relief feature. How it shows? We draw some lines. Those are called contour lines, and the places, the lines which join the places of same height from the sea level is called contour lines. Contour lines are the lines join the places of the same height. Same height places, these lines join from the sea level. Those are called contour lines. These contour lines shows the relief features like valleys, whereas mountains, lakes, rivers, these are all shown by contour lines. Then if contour lines are the lines which has frequent intervals, and these contour lines depend on the nature of the terrain. If the hill is very steep slope, the contour lines are very near to each other. The frequent intervals are very near. Whereas the nature of the terrain, the land is a gentle slope like this. Then the contour lines are far away from each other, These do not cut each other. These contour lines do not cut each other, and the shape of the contour lines are depend upon the landscape. If the mountain is very steep, then contour lines are very near. If the mountain is irregular shape, the lines also irregular in shape. If the mountain is very flat or gentle slope, contour lines are far from each other, and the intervals also like 50, 100, 150 meters. These do not cut each other, and it shows relief features on the map. You just know about the contour line, just its definition and what's its purpose, that's all. No need to go to very deep. So contour lines are the lines which joins the places of the same height from the sea level. Joins the places from the sea level. And these are these shows relief features, and also if the terrain of the land is steep slope, the contour lines are near, and the land has gentle slope, the contour lines are far from each other and do not cut each other. And these lines do not cross each other, and also the shape of the line, also these contour lines depend on the shape of the mountains or valleys. Here if you observe the line, this contour line 50 meters, so the places all on this 50 meters height are same height. Here also 100 meters contour line, the places on this line are same 100 meters height, equal height. Next, uses of maps showing height. These physical maps, political map, they are showing different purposes. In the same way, showing heights, how the heights are shown, I told, by shading colors. Then what are the uses of the map showing heights? If you observe the Andhra Pradesh physical map, you can see, yeah, this Andhra Pradesh physical map. Can you see, children, clearly? Yeah, it is clear, very clear. So if you observe the coastal plains, here the green color, can you see this green color? These coastal plains run along the coast of Bay of Bengal. The coastal plains are run along the coast of Bay of Bengal. And then when you travel from east to west, if you come from east to west, you can see the plateaus with escarpments. Escarpments means small hills which slope towards the plateau. Small hills also you can find, the plateau region. And this plateau region also divided by rivers Krishna, Godavari. Can you see? Godavari, Krishna, even Penna river. So this plateau is divided by the rivers, and these rivers make the broad valleys and deep valleys inside the plateau. The rivers make broad and deep valleys inside the plateau. So this is about the physical map of Andhra Pradesh. The coastal lines, the plateau area, and the number of rivers divide the plateau. Then uses. What are the uses? When dams and roads are building, the engineers need such maps to show whether the region has higher places and lower places, whereas hills or slopes, whether plateaus. So to find all these things, the engineers need the maps to build roads, to build dams. So to build dams also, they want particular region map, because how much area is submerged by the dam water. So in that purposes, the maps showing heights are used. Showing heights maps are used especially in constructing roads and building dams. So while building dams, some of the area would be submerged by the dam water. So the engineers consider all these things, then build dams. Even building roads also, whether the area has higher places or lower places, ups or downs, then they consider which route should be taken to build the road, then the road would be constructed. So in that purpose, the maps of heights are used. Next, what is mean sea level? So, have you visited sea any time? Maybe you might have visited. It is very near to us, just 20 kilometers. So if you observe the sea is not still. It the rising and lowering. You can see the tides rising and lowering continuously. You can see the rising tides and lowering tides. Then how can the sea level measured? So 0 meters measured. It always going higher tide or lower tide. Then how can sea level measured? So this phenomena always occur on the surface of the sea. So that's why the sea level is measured at the frequent intervals. Then the sea level is calculated. The scientists observed the frequent intervals of the high tide and low tide. Then the mean sea level is measured. What, Nana? What is mean sea level? The frequent intervals of the high tides and low tides are observed in the particular time, then the mean sea level is measured. So every height is measured from the mean sea level. So mean sea level is 0 meters. Then how it measured? By observing the high tides and low tides in a frequent intervals. Then the sea level is measured. That is about today. So it's a small lesson. Then we completed this lesson. So the important points are the landforms, the symbols, physical maps, political maps, thematic maps, and measuring heights on a land and showing heights on a land. How? By shading colors. Next, contour lines. It shows relief features. And the shape of the mountains, valleys also showed by contour lines. These contour lines are depend on the nature of the terrain. If the mountain is very slope, the contour lines are very near. If the mountain is gentle slope like this, the contour lines are far from each other. What are contour lines? Contour lines are the lines which joins the places of the same height from the sea level. The lands, the places from the sea level. If the places are same height from the sea levels, these lines join. So those lines are called contour lines, are the lines which joins the places of the same height from the sea level. They do not cut each other, and they depend on the terrain of the nature of the terrain. They are irregular shape, but they do not cut each other. Next, uses of map showing heights. So heights showing maps are used to build dams, bridges, roads. Next, mean sea level. How the mean sea level is measured? By calculating, by observing the frequent intervals of high tides and low tides. Then the mean sea level is calculated. So every height on the earth around the world is measured from the sea level. Sea level means 0 meters height. That is about this lesson. And just if you have the textbook, you prepare answers for the questions. The questions normally, what are the uses of the map? How is the mean sea level calculated? What are contour lines? Uses of contour lines. What are political map? What are physical maps? What are thematic map? What is a map? So these are all the questions you would be asked from this lesson. If it is possible, you prepare answers for the questions. And tomorrow I'll explain all these questions. Any doubts, children? Yeah, I'm going to unmute your voice. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No doubt, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So easy lesson.
No doubt,
If we
ma'am.
have
Ma'am, no doubt, ma'am.
if we have new edition, I'll find out. Until then,
You
this
can give me.
edition would be continued.
The plant.
Ma'am,
What is the symbol of hospital, ma'am?
No doubt, ma'am.
No doubt, ma'am.
Symbol of
ma'am should write in class.
plants. I told already. The plant symbols
No doubt, ma'am.
are shown. Yeah, like this.
Hospital symbol, ma'am.
Hospital building only.
Bus stop for symbol, ma'am.
BS like that. BS hospital. Hospital symbol H like that.
We can locate places.
Yeah.
Sanjay ma'am should write in class.
Contour lines.
What
Ma'am should write in class.
Nana?
Water level.
I can't hear clearly.
Time for symbol, ma'am. Time for
symbol.
Train.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Train.
Sandhya,
So
ma'am.
these, yeah,
Sandhya ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am.
How are you?
Sandhya, ma'am. Sandhya,
Yeah.
ma'am. What did you do, ma'am?
Yes.
Should write in classwork, ma'am.
Yeah, you write classwork. So,
Okay,
symbol,
ma'am.
ma, the train symbol,
Sir,
the bus
showed-
symbol.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
showed
just
left side, ma'am. Cheppilaka. Show camera
the
left side,
symbol
ma'am. Ma'am, show camera left side.
Oh, okay, okay.
Mute all numbers, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Show camera left side.
Ma, the important symbols only measured on the map, not all the symbols. You understand, children? The important buildings, important physical objects only shown on the map, not all the things. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
I'm going to unmute your voice.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, can you move?
So you prepare well this lesson, and tomorrow I'll ask the questions and try to give answers. Okay, children? Yeah. So I'm leaving, children. Bye, children. Have a nice day. Bye, children.